Sitting straight is very important for breathing. And the reason being is that you need to give your lungs the ability to move freely. If you're sitting in a position where your spine is not supported, so your pelvis is tilted slightly, you'll begin to round in your lower back, which means you're going to begin to collapse in your chest. So therefore your diaphragm and your abdominal wall gets very restricted. So it becomes difficult to breathe into your lower lungs with ease and to breathe fully. The rib cage and intercostals won't move very much, and neither will the upper chest, because you'll have a tendency to bunch and hunch, and it just makes it very difficult for you to breathe with ease. So you need to have the sit bones nice and stable, the bottom of the pelvis where the sit bones meet. You want to have them supported. You want to have the pelvis itself supported so that the spine is able to release and elongate freely from the back of the pelvis. And then as you sit, you're sitting into your spine, into your pelvis, and your rib cage is supported, your shoulders are open, your neck is free, your hands are in a position that allows your body to breathe with ease. I'm keeping it fairly general there, but the idea is that you need to have support and you need to be sitting straight. So if you find that it's difficult to sit straight without support, get all the support that you need. So you want, if you're sitting in a chair, is again, edge back into the chair, and then when you sit back, feel the back of the chair support the pelvis and allows you to sit straight in your spine. Is put your legs in a position that you know are going to be comfortable for 10-15 minutes. If you like to cross your legs, cross your legs. But if you're going to cross your legs and then it interfere and you round off in 2 minutes, is uncross your legs. Just sit in a chair. So whichever works most comfortable for you. You need to sit straight, and you need to sit straight with support and make it easy so you can focus on your breathing with ease. You don't want to be distracted by being uncomfortable in your body. It's not about that. The focus isn't on that. So give yourself all the support you need. Okay?